Hello guys! Welcome to this English course on nouns. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about irregular plural nouns. Now there are crazy ways of making plural forms in English, and there are a lot of irregular forms. I want you to know about them. So let's get started. Again guys, there are so many irregular plural forms in English, and I'm afraid there are no particular rules. You just need to learn the words. But I'm going to try and tell you about the most common words, okay? Let's review some words together. Okay, so for example, we have a singular noun, which is woman. Its plural form is women. Woman, women. Then we have man, the singular noun, a man. It becomes men. A child becomes children. A tooth, teeth. A foot becomes feet. A person becomes people. A mouse becomes mice. Okay, let's move on to pronunciation now. Well, students, let's work on pronunciation a bit. Please repeat after me. Woman, woman, women, women. Good. Man, man, men, men. Child, child. Children, children. Very good, guys. Moving on. Tooth, tooth. Teeth, teeth. Foot, foot. Feet, feet. Person, person. People, people. Very good, guys. And the last one, mouse, mouse. Mice, mice. Excellent, guys. Let's now move on to other irregular plural forms. Now, there are words that have the exact same singular and plural forms. They are not common, but you need to know a few. Let's take a look together. As you can see, sheep is the singular form, but the plural form is not sheeps. It is sheep. Same goes for deer, deer. Moose, moose. Fish, fish. Aircraft, aircraft. Okay, so you will say, I see one sheep, but also I see two sheep. The exact same word. Okay, let's go back for pronunciation. I want you to repeat after me. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Moose, moose. Fish, fish. Aircraft, aircraft. Good job, guys. Let's move on now to other irregular forms. Some nouns are never singular. We always use their plural forms. I have a few common ones for you guys. Let's have a look. Jeans, pants, glasses, sunglasses, clothes, scissors, pyjamas. So you will say, I have some jeans, or I have scissors. But you cannot say, I have a jean. It is incorrect in English. Let's work a bit on pronunciation. Repeat after me, please. Jeans. Jeans. Pants. Pants. Glasses. Glasses. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Clothes. Clothes. Scissors. Scissors. And finally, pyjamas. Pyjamas. Good, guys. Let's now look at other irregular plural forms. Now, just a few words about nouns in English that have Latin and Greek origins. Their plural forms are very weird. Now, it's a bit complicated, so we're not going to go in too much detail. Don't worry too much about them, but just a few words that I think you should know. First, we have words ending in A. Their plural form will end in AE. For example, antenna becomes antennae. Alumna, alumni. Words ending in US, us, will end in I. Octopus, octopi. Cactus, cacti. Words ending in IS will end in ES. Is becomes ease. For example, analysis, analyses. Diagnosis, diagnoses. And finally, words ending in ON end in A. Criterion, criteria. Phenomenon, phenomena. These plural forms are very difficult, guys. Even native speakers make a lot of mistakes, so don't worry too much about them. I just wanted to give you a little taste of Latin and Greek plurals. Okay, let's move on to example sentences now. Okay guys, I have a few example sentences for you. It's a great opportunity to practice saying irregular plural forms in English. Now be very careful to use proper pronunciation as well. Let's start. First, my sister has one child. My brother has 2 children. Repeat after me. My sister has 1 child. My brother has 2 children. Next, I'm a quiet person, so I don't talk to many people. Please repeat after me. I'm a quiet person, so I don't talk to many people. Good, guys. Next sentence. Did you catch 1 fish or 2 fish at the lake? Repeat after me, please. Did you catch 1 fish or 2 fish at the lake? Very good. Next sentence. I have one pair of glasses and two pairs of sunglasses. Repeat after me. I have one pair of glasses and two pairs of sunglasses. Excellent, guys. And finally, he has one cactus in his front yard, but many cacti in his backyard. Repeat after me. He has one cactus in his front yard, but many cacti in his backyard. Okay, students, I hope you repeated after me and you practiced your pronunciation. I hope you now have a better understanding of irregular plural forms in English. There are many of them, not many rules to follow, a lot of words to memorize, but I'm sure with a little bit of practice, you can do it. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you watch the other videos as well. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you've liked this video, please show me your support. Click like, subscribe to our channel, put your comments below and share the video. Thank you very much. See you.